Assalamu alaikum. This is Sakib Mia. I am a student, Department of Mathematics at Kumilla University. My ID number is 123040015 and my session is 2022 to 2023. My course name is Computer Fundamentals and course code CSE 116. Today I am discussing about pseudocode. What is pseudocode? Why is it uses and advantage and disadvantage? Thank you, my honorable course teacher Mahmudul Hassan sir to get chance. Welcome to my presentation video. Pseudocode, a programmer's best friend. Definition of pseudocode. Pseudocode is a high-level, informal description of a program's logic using a mix of natural language and programming like structures to outline steps without specific syntax. Why use pseudocode? We used pseudocode for planning, communication, and debugging. There are some advantages of pseudocode. Firstly, clarity. Easier to read than code. Focuses on the logic. Secondly, efficiency. Save coding times. Reduce debugging effort later on. Thirdly, collaboration. Facilitate teamwork. Discuss algorithm with ease. There are some disadvantages of pseudocode. Time. Writing takes time. Time is especially important for small tasks. Secondly, ambiguity. Vague instruction can lead to error. Makes sure your steps are clear. Thirdly, standard. No official syntax exists. Consistency is key. Conclusion. Pseudocode is a powerful tool. It aids communication and efficiency while it has drawbacks. Its benefits outweigh them. Embrace it for better code. Thank you for watching my presentation.